Hello awesome people, welcome back to another exciting Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an animated GIF in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get to the video. I am using the royalty-free stock image to create my composition. I have already made a selection to the object. You can download the file from the description below. Now I am going to make my composition ready. At this point, I am done with my subject. You can do according to your design requirements. Now, I will add the additional backgrounds by adding solid color layer. Make sure to put these solid color layers under your main subject so it can be seen easily. Now, add the gradient layer, just above the main subject. Adjust the angle and the colors as you need them, and change blend mode of this layer to linear light. Now, let's add some more solid color layers and give different colors. Keep these layers under the main subject. It's time to add some more effects to the composition. Add blank layer above the main subject, and the gradient layer. Select brush tool, and play with various type of brush effects. You need to add each and every effect on separate layer. You can try with different colors and blend modes to give your design a depth. We are done with our composition at this point. Now, it's time to make the magic happen. Turn off all the layers, except the white background, your main subject and the gradient layer. Go to Windows and then click on the timeline. It will open the timeline panel. From this panel, click on Create Frame Animation. From the timeline panel, you can add new frame, delete the frame, play and stop your animation. And, by clicking on the frame drop-down arrow, you can set the duration of that particular frame. Let's start our animation. Click to add the new frame. And turn on some of the layers. It really depends on you, how many frame animation you want. You need to follow the same steps, keep adding new frame and turn on some of the layers. Once you have all of the layers on, click on the play button to see the animation. When you are happy with your animation, it's time to save it in the right format. Click on File, Export and then Save for Web. This will open up the new window. Click on the drop down, then select GIF, and keep everything else same. Click on Save, and save it with whatever name you want to give it to your animation. The magic is done. I hope you have liked this video. See you in the next video.